So I decided to make a video to show you how you might use the website. So I'm Michael, I built this and I've just been sharing my progress here on YouTube. So I guess the difference from my last video in terms of functionality is just these buttons. You can click to add the fada to vowels. Shane the fada. Most of the functionality here is pretty self-explanatory, so let's just do a search, and we may as well use the fadas while we're here. So love. So you can see here when I do a search, it's a match search versus an exact search. You can see an exact search will only return sentences that contain that form exactly, and a match search returns that sentences which contain that word but also the different available forms of the word. And you can go and look at the sentences, hover over them, and it will show you the English translation. And you can click this button here on the right to hear the sentence in an Irish voice. You can also change the voice up here. And you can also change the font. So there's a nice selection here, and you can choose which one suits you best. And you can also choose between the traditional form of writing, nGael, where the lenited consonants are replaced by their dotted equivalents. So you can see that too and play around with that if you'd like. Okay, let's go back to the default. So now you can see again this example. If we look at these sentences and we try and intuit the meaning of this word love, it probably means hand, and these are the forms, probably mean hand, hands, and different usages. So let's just try another word. Srod. Vi siad in a shasaf. Elor na shrod ag skypach biljok. Okay, I don't think I'll read that. I think I'll let the computer do it.
Vi siad in a shasaf elor na shrod ag skypach biljok.
It's a computer voice, but I think it's better than mine. So you can see here, I saw her coming towards me across the street. She collapsed on the street. I live in Church Street. Go up the street. So this seems to be the word for street. And so let's search something else. Let's say maybe a verb. Glán. Curlain na glán ort féin. Hain. Put on a clean shirt. I clean the kitchen. I have a shower. I put on my clothes. I brush my teeth and so on. Okay, so let's look up a particular form. Let's say this form. Okay, he lost his mind completely. I put on a clean shirt. I clean the kitchen. Along with taking care of the child, she had to clean the house. So this word seems to have something to do with cleaning. The grill hadn't been cleaned. Okay, so let's search up a very common word. Ta. Let's do an exact match on ta here. And we can check out the different forms as usual. So we can see here, there was thunder and lightning every day. It rained last night. He felt like fighting. Okay, so these all seem to relate to the past tense. So we could maybe intuit that V is the past tense version of ta. And as you use the site, you could hold that, as you're learning, I could hold that theory in my mind, and I could find more sentences and more constructions that contain it using the search functionality or clicking. And also there's other websites you can confirm your theories about the meaning of words, how the constructions might be used as you see them used in these sentences, and you can go and do your own further research within here or outside. So yeah, I think I've shown pretty much the functionality of the site, what you might use it for, and remember, I guess, that blue means that we do have sentences containing that word form exactly, and grey means we don't, but we are adding them manually as we go along. It's important to make sure that the sentences are accurate, are sentences, and not just, they need to be confirmed. So that's it. Thanks very much, and I'll see you again.